9 geezer. So what's happened here, they've changed the injector. That's why you're getting these faults up. And that's the new injector. You can see it's brand new compared to the others. So it's a refurbed one. The 888, all it means is it's not coded in. So what we need to do is code it in using them there. That's it there. I can't really, I'll have to sort it out. That's it there, that's the code. And the reason we're getting that fault code here, so for example, you'll get this, and you'll get all the like pre-collision warning and all the nonsense on there because of these two. So it tells you there, injector 3, because it's not communicating right. So we'll go into special functions, and then enter injector codes. Okay, I'm going to leave it at this because if I do a too long video it probably won't work. So here it is, and I'll do it in. I'll take a picture and do it. So if we go back to the special functions, injector, so 3, as you can see, it's gone from A to the correct coding. So it goes 1 2 3 4. So that's the third one, I guess. Maybe it's just they've decoded this in, not realizing. I know they've changed this one, which is the second one, but I've realized 1 2 3 and they've decoded it accidentally and not coded it back in using them digits. However, everything's smooth. And then once it's coded in, if we go back into the and if we do a clear fault code, so there shouldn't be any more fault codes, ignition's off, I think, unless it's cleared all the faults itself, because it does an auto full scan and clear. So let's do this. You turn it on, yeah? Okay, so we'll just wait. This should hopefully clear all the fault codes. Obviously, I'm not talking about the others, but the engine section, so there shouldn't be any warning. So give it a second. Yeah, so 1 2 3 and 4 on the other end, so it's been decoded. Right, so engine, there you are. There's nothing back on here. So since everything's been coded in, there is no engine management light. I'll take it for a test drive as well. So guys, as we said, I'm just going to show you all again. If you've got to code the injectors in like this required, I'm just going to kind of recap on it as you saw on that other video, like it is here again. So it's coming up with AAAA, and it says cylinder 3. So we'll go into, you can do it this way, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do enter injector codes. This is the way we do it. And then you would select this one or cylinder 3 like this and hit start, or even just cylinder 3 here. And then when it comes up, which I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to enter it in, but this Nissan Qashqai, the 1.5 diesel, I think it's a 1.5 diesel, I'm sure it is. It's a 2019, yes it is. You've got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Cylinder 3 was coming up with AAA, however the code for it was this here. We have put it back in, coded, and the fault code is no longer there, guys. It's literally vanished for good. Let's just double check again. No DTC detected, so that kind of clears it all up. But that's how it is done, guys, using the Kingbolen K8 Pro. Very great machine, easy to use, and it's Bluetooth as well. If I don't forget, I'll put the link in so you guys can grab one as well.